Now, here are some basic facts you need to know about this matter in Hong Kong.
When talking about the Hong Kong Fugitive Bill, one particular murder case comes to the fore. It involves a Hong Kong suspect who allegedly murdered his 20-year-old pregnant girlfriend in Taiwan before fleeing back to Hong Kong. Taiwan sought help from Hong Kong authorities to extradite the man. However, the Hong Kong government cannot comply due to it not having an extradition agreement with Taiwan. A bill was then proposed by the Hong Kong government in February to allow for the transfer of fugitives to jurisdictions with which Hong Kong lacked an extradition deal. It aims to eliminate loopholes in existing legal frameworks concerning mutual legal assistance in criminal matters so that Hong Kong would not be a safe haven for criminals. The changes would allow for extradition requests from authorities in the Chinese mainland, Taiwan and Macau for suspects accused of serious criminal wrongdoings such as murder and rape. Hong Kong courts would, however, have the final say, with requests being handled on a case-by-case basis. To ease the concerns of society and narrow differences, amendments have been introduced. This includes increasing the threshold for the surrender of offending fugitives and introducing additional human rights safeguards. Several commercial offences have been removed from the list of extraditable offences, such as tax evasion. Also, suspects accused of political and religious crimes would not be extradited.